How do Americans prove financial self-sufficiency for European visas? Imagine planning a new life in Europe and wondering what proof you need to show you can support yourself. Well, this is a key step in the visa process, and it's all about demonstrating you have enough money to cover your stay. When applying for long-stay visas, such as retirement, work, or residence permits, you must prove you can support yourself without relying on public funds. This helps countries ensure you won't become a financial burden while living there. Most countries ask for recent bank statements, usually from the last 3 months. These statements should clearly show your name, current address, and your account balance. They need to reflect regular financial activity like deposits or withdrawals. Besides bank statements, other documents can include payslips, employment letters, pension statements, income tax returns, or proof of investments. If someone is sponsoring your stay, they must provide their own financial documents, too. For long-stay visas for retirees or those with passive income, you might also need to show proof of steady income from pensions, rental properties, or dividends. Some countries requiring you to open a local bank account and deposit funds there as part of your application. This shows you have access to money within the country, which can be a requirement for certain visas. Each European country has its own rules about how much money you need and what documents are acceptable. For example, Portugal's D7 visa for passive income applicants asks for proof of regular income like pensions or rental income, and sometimes a local bank account. Greece's financially independent person's visa sets a minimum monthly income, which increases if you are applying with family members. Austria and Switzerland have similar programs but may limit the number of visas issued each year or requiring lump sum tax payments. Some countries like Hungary offer special visas for remote workers or investors. Hungary's White Card for remote workers requires a minimum monthly income and a job contract with a non-European Union company. However, this visa does not lead directly to permanent residency. To prepare, gather your financial documents early. Make sure they are current, clearly show your name and account details, and consider translating or notarizing them if needed. Always check the specific requirements of your destination country because rules can change. You might also need to get a local tax number or health insurance that meets European standards. If you have significant assets, consulting a tax or legal advisor familiar with cross-border rules can help you organize your finances properly and stay compliant with both U.S. and European laws. Once in Europe, you will need to manage your finances according to local laws, which could include opening local bank accounts and maintaining adequate health insurance. If you are planning to retire, research the cost of living in your chosen country and budget accordingly. For work-related visas, understand how your income will be taxed and whether you need to report assets or income to U.S. authorities. The key to a successful visa application is preparation. Know the rules, gather the right documents, and stay updated on any changes. Many Americans successfully navigate this process each year, opening the door to a new lifestyle in Europe. Always verify the latest requirements with the embassy or consulate because policies can shift. With careful planning, you can meet the financial self-sufficiency standards and take your next step toward living, working, or retiring in Europe.